Meet Suraj, top of his class. Commerce degree from a prestigious university. Global certification, the resume looks perfect. Now listen, first interview at some major investment banking company. The interviewer handed him a data set and said, "Show me what you can do." Suraj froze. You know why? Because the paper looked perfect, but the person was not ready. Now you'll have to understand that India's employment scenario is completely changing. Outsourcing के बाद GCC is the major reason behind the change of entire scenario of employment. Every single week, जी हाँ आपने सही सुना, every next week one new GCC is setting up in India. और उसके साथ साथ ही बहुत सारे employment opportunity in the field of finance. You must have gone through the biggest news about the JP Morgan, India's largest global capability center in Mumbai, and thousands more. And you know what is the irony? Students say that there are no jobs in the market, but the recruiters and GCCs, MNCs, Big Fours, everyone is looking for skilled professionals. And you know, from job seekers to the job finders, this mismatch is happening. And you know what is the reason behind this mismatch? The reason is the companies are not looking for just graduates. Yes, the trend is changing and they are looking for global certifications, but that is not enough. Yes, you heard that right. That is not enough. They need professionals who can actually work. Yes, बहुत ही simple sentence मैंने बोला. They need professionals who can actually. McKinsey की रिसर्च रिपोर्ट की मैं बात करूँ तो 92% of the middle east companies can't find people who perform under pressure. और आपको पता है इसका मतलब क्या है? It's not about what you know. It's all about what you can do. How you can communicate, whether you can lead when everyone is panicking. चलिए इसको अच्छे से समझाने के लिए I'll tell you a scenario which is happening on everyday basis in corporate. Picture this: you are at job. Your VP came and asked you in the morning meeting that why is the financial projection of this quarter has dropped by 15%. Now you have data in your hand which your teammates have prepared or your juniors have prepared. Can you query the data in SQL? Build a PowerBI visualization, explain to everyone who understands, even to the non-finance professional who are sitting in the meeting. सबसे बड़ी बात उस डेटा को explain करने के बाद can you propose a solution like a leader? और problem यहीं पे आ जाती है कि maybe you can do one of these, but companies need someone who is a complete package. एक चौंकाने वाली डेटा अगर आपसे शेयर करूं मैं तो last year Goldman Sachs has received 236,000 application, hired only 3,000. That's 1.3%. And let me tell you, that is even harder than getting into Harvard. And you know, these 1.3% में कौन से लोग आते हैं? Winners कौन है? तो विनर्स वो है जो मॉडल्स बना सकते हैं, पाइथन में कोड कर सकते हैं, फाइंडिंग्स को अच्छे से प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, लीडरशिप को अच्छे से डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट कर सकते हैं. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू शेयर दैट हियर कम्स द रोल ऑफ यूनिक ग्लोबल एजुकेशंस कॉर्पोरेट ग्रूमिंग प्रोग्राम. 150 आवर्स ऑफ intensive industry grade training worth 1.5 lakh, and that is absolutely free. और चलिए मैं आपको बता दूं, after attending this corporate grooming program along with your global certification आपको क्या मिलेगा. Talking about leadership, real case study from Satya Nadella, Indra Nui, not theory, real frameworks. Talking about communications, writing emails that get accepted upon, and everything under communication, how you present yourself, how to negotiate yourself, and moreover how to sell yourself. Technical skills में advanced Excel for finance, specially curated for finance, SQL that solves real business problems, Power BI dashboard that tells stories. Finance and markets की बात करें तो then equity research that impresses JP Morgan even. Financial modeling that invest bankers respect. आगे बात करें तो Python and AI. You know how trend is changing and AI is taking over everything. So you need to get updated. Coding and automation tools reshaping every industry. And you will be also trained for that. You can see multiple things on screens which will be covered under corporate grooming program, and that too absolutely free, I've told you. Let me tell you something that is a change maker. आप सिर्फ टीचर्स और प्रोफेसर से कॉर्पोरेट ग्रूमिंग की क्लास नहीं ले रहे होंगे. पीपल विल फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्री विल कम टू यू, डायरेक्टली कम टू यू. फ्रॉम द कंपनीज यू विश टू वर्क, यू ड्रीम टू वर्क, विल बी डायरेक्टली कमिंग इनटू योर क्लासरूम एंड गिविंग यू मेंटरशिप एंड 1-to-1 गाइडेंस. उसके साथ साथ 100% प्लेसमेंट असिस्टेंस. यस, ओनली नॉट सर्टिफिकेशन, ओनली नॉट कॉर्पोरेट ग्रूमिंग प्रोग्राम, बट 100% placement assistance by till the time you get employable. Resume reviews, mock interviews, giving you direct connections to the hiring managers and what not. So the goal is simple. to make you a person, a candidate that no one can say no to. So at last, I want to say that India's job opportunities is booming like anything. But let me tell you, opportunities don't wait for people who are almost ready or going to be ready. Opportunities are for those who are ready. So for now, I Aditya Shandev from Uni Global Education. This is all about corporate grooming program. Wishing you all the best for your career. And if you're watching this video, I hope you have taken your first step towards your employable high package career. So for now, see you in the classroom.